Snoring is an epidemic with real public health consequences. Left untreated, it can develop into sleep apnea, which causes blood oxygen levels to plummet and is associated with impotence, loss of concentration, poor memory, diabetes, hypertension and, most worrying of all, heart attacks in the middle of the night. Compared with those with no sleep apnea, those with severe and mild to moderate sleep apnea were more likely to have been in a road accident. A not-so-silent killer. Today we will discuss about the Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program, which is designed to find the root cause of snoring. It's not about eating a healthy diet to lose weight, so that you can sleep better. These exercises are not the type you will find at the local gym or on a fitness blog. It is about to resolve the areas that make you snore or suffer from sleep apnea. So, I took a sharp step, which I discovered when I finished the program of snoring and sleep apnea. The first chapters will tell you all about diagnosing your snoring problem, whether you're snoring through your tongue, because of your throat, nasal problems or jaw. The process is very easy to understand and you will see amazing results in just about a few days. You only need a minimum of 3 minutes per day to perform these anti-snoring exercises. But if you have more than 3 minutes, then this program offers you 7 different exercise plans that you can choose from. It will give you a permanent solution to this problem. It won't come back once it's gone, unlike other methods. You will be able to identify the main cause of your snoring and take action from there. These exercises had already helped thousands of people in stop snoring without going through dangerously risky surgery, use prescription pills or putting on with a dental implant. 100% legit program with a money-back guarantee that will give your money back within a 60-day time frame. The only thing you will lose by following this program is sleepless nights or the embarrassment of disturbing others while you sleep. The Stop Snoring and Sleep Apnea program is so far the best solution you have on this irritating problem. Choice is yours.